This one is honey noodles with ice cream, and this one is special soup, Momo special thukpa, which is of chicken, and this one is drums of heaven. Okay, and this one is prawns temaki sushi. This one is sizzler. This one is chicken and prawns sui mai dumplings, and that one is Korean noodles. और वहाँ पे जो है वो है सबसे ज़बरदस्त BBQ wings.
So we thought of creating something different, which was like momo ka mo liya और sushi ka shi liya. So we combined it and made it moshi.
This is Zainab Ali from Zainab Cook House. So we had explored a lot of cuisines of India in Mumbai, but today I thought of having something little different, and we all love this cuisine. So the cuisine name is Asian kitchen cuisine. So I am going to try a lot of Asian cuisine today, but where? So I have come to a very nice place in Vasai, which is also known as Asian Kitchen Hub. So I am here at Moshi, and Moshi का मतलब क्या होता है? So Moshi मतलब hello. Hello होता है Japanese में. So this place is famous for the Japanese, Korean, North Korean and different kinds of things. So I'm going to try dumplings, temaki, then sushi and lot of different varieties of food here. So do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. और आप ज़रूर से कमेंट करें, और बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे इस वीडियो की डिमांड की थी. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर टुडे, एंड आई होप यू आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय द वीडियो. और अगेन आई विल टेल यू कि कमेंट करिए, फॉलो करिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए. तो आइए किचन में क्या बन रहा है. They are preparing here some Korean noodles, and we are very well known that Korea has a very long history of making and eating noodles. And this is a very popular and delicious dish that everyone loves over the globe. And the best part of this restaurant, guys, is like they use all exotic veggies. As you can see, all mushrooms, avocados and every good qualities of veggies they use in their recipes. So in a very traditional manner they make these recipes. As you can see, the process at the kitchen is also quite clean, and I really love this recipe. There are varieties of sushi around the world, so there are different kinds of fishes used in that. So this one is California maki sushi. Basically like sushi rice is mixed with sushi rice vinegar. You can place a sheet or nori on the mat, and nori is also known as like nori seaweed. After that, the chef has covered the mat with some sushi rice and sprinkled some black sesame seed, as you can see that, and it gives very like a nutty flavor. So he drizzled some mayonnaise, and yeah, we are so proud Indians that mayonnaise के बिगर हमें चलता नहीं है. Then he has put some avocados, cucumbers, and then crab meat over there. So it depends upon you like what ingredient you want to use in it, and he has got some 6 to 8 pieces from this, and this is served with wasabi sauce or soy sauce. But be careful before having wasabi. If you are not careful, then I'm sure you are going to remember my advice on this, because wasabi is like little pungent. So guys, this is the time to take a review, a random review. So we'll see कि clients जो आते हैं वो क्या फील करते हैं इस रेस्टोरेंट को लेके, एंड आज हम थोड़ा रैंडमली करते हैं. तो भी यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज़ फुल, सो लेट्स गो टू दैट टेबल एंड सी कि उनका रिव्यू क्या है डिशेस को लेके. मोशी, यू ऑर्डर्ड एंड व्हाई यू लाइक टू कम टू दिस रेस्टोरेंट?
Actually, first I ordered at home because pandemic, and I liked how the dumplings were very soft. They were soft. They were tasty. The taste was good, better than what I had compared to other restaurants around. And also the sauces were amazing. Like
Sauces.
yeah,
So you mostly like dumplings of this restaurant?
yeah, mostly dumplings.
Thank you. So tell me a little bit like why you come to Moshi and what you like.
I think this place serves the most authentic sushi as well as dumplings, and we love those, so we are regulars here. And we are trying this Singapore noodles today, and it looks nice. Let's see how it is.
So now we are going to have a little guftagu with the owner of Moshi Kitchen, and she is going to tell us like why this restaurant is so famous in Vasai.
पहली बात तो ये कि ये लास्ट ईयर नवंबर 2020 में खुला था.
Okay.
So Moshi has completed 1 year.
Oh, congratulations.
थैंक यू. तो आज और कल हमारा थोड़ा सेलिब्रेशन है.
Okay.
Completing 1 year of Moshi. So we have small get together with all our customers, our valued customers जो previously आ चुके हैं और जो आने वाले हैं शाम को.
So how was the experience from last 1 year you got?
We have got a good response from everybody. आप अगर हमको गूगल पे भी चेक कर लो या जोमेटो पे भी देख लो, हमारे रिव्यू इज़ नथिंग लेस देन 5. हम हमारे फूड में या जो एशियन खाना पकता है उसमें हम अजीनामोटो नहीं यूज़ करते.
Okay.
So we use a substitution for Ajinomoto.
Okay.
And secondly, what makes us stand different is we use all exotic vegetables,
Okay.
which is
Yes. Exactly, yeah.
which is needed in a Asian food जो
food, yeah.
लगता है. So exotic vegetables के साथ हम जो भी food cook होता है, which is made all with love and care.
Yes.
We follow the parameters and the measures of safety also. Noodles में कहो या rice में कहो तो Moshi special है.
Okay.
We are very famous for knowing for our
So you have n number of varieties.
yeah.
Menu, right?
n number of
Okay.
it.
So are we available on Zomato and Swiggy also, like for delivery?
Swiggy we are not available, but
Okay.
we are available on Zomato.
Okay. So guys, you can check the menu if you want to order online. You can check them on Zomato and you can order your choice of food. So ma'am, we are going to try some of your food today, and let's
Sure,
see
sure.
how is the
Sure,
taste.
sure. And I would request all the viewers who are watching us today, please do come and try at least once and let us know what's the review on the same. Thank you so much.
Next, I'm going to try Drums of Heaven. So this is quite actually ये Drums of Heaven है, because you will get the flavor of garlic, ginger and different kinds of sauces. जो हम regular lollipop खाते हैं वैसा ही है, but it is toasted with some special sauces in this. This one is, as I said, कि this one is a special soup. ये basically आपको तिब्बत में मिलता है. This is known as thukpa. इसमें आपको मोमोज मिलेगा and you will get noodles, boiled noodles. So this is a thick gravy with vegetables. You can see this exotic vegetable. This is made up of corn and carrots. और इसमें होता है dumplings. So basically dumplings you will get of veg and you get of non-veg also. So I'm going to have some little dumplings. It is very hot. The chicken is very juicy inside the dumplings, and this is nicely cooked to perfection. And this one has a thick gravy, not like other soup which you see normally. You can have this, is completely healthy kind of a soup. You can have this in winter. It's too nice. Dumplings. So I'm not very like used to with this chopsticks, but I'll try. So you just need to dip in this sauce. This is simple, chicken and prawns in it, and it has a very mild kind of a flavor, as you only have sometime like chicken momos. So this is like that only, but ये जो है वो आपको typically authentic momos जो होता है वो आपको इसकी याद दिलाएगा, because this is seriously completely authentic one. Now I am going to try some Japanese sticky wings. तो ये है Japanese sticky wings, so I'll just take one. Wings तो मेरे favorite है. I just love wings. So you don't need to use a chopstick or fork or knife, something. You just use your fingers. पकड़ लिए ऐसे देसी स्टाइल से खाइए. को बनाया है स्वीट एंड सार सॉस में. दिस हैज़ लॉट ऑफ गार्लिक, ग्रीन चिली एंड जिंजर, बट ये स्वीट है, ज़्यादा तीखा नहीं है. अगर आप ड्रम्स ऑफ हेवन देखोगे तो इट इज़ लाइक लिटिल स्पाइसियर ऑन अ साइड, बट दिस इज़ नॉट स्पाइसी. एंड इफ यू आर अ विंग्स लवर यू कैन श्योरली हैव दिस वन. This one is prawns tempura. Just need to have this. This is kind of a sushi only. You can see inside in it. This one is prawns. This one is prawns. This one is Japanese rice, sticky rice, and some mixed vegetables with mayonnaise. Crispy and a little sour. Even this has a very mild flavor. If you see Asian cuisine, whether it's north or south or any kind of Asian cuisine, you see it has a very mild taste. It is not so spicy, especially when we talk about Japanese or Korean food. So these foods are basically either steamed or either baked or either kind of like this one. So they don't have a fried kind of a thing. Even Korean doesn't have this fried kind of a thing, but we give a touch of a few things and make it like spicy or mild spicy or something kind of like that. So this restaurant is completely authentic one. Okay guys, so now we are going to try a special mochi sizzler. So this one has a chicken and some mixed vegetables and a kind of a sauce in it. This is mild, not so spicy, neither not so like salty kind of a thing. It's a very simple dish. So this is fried potato wedges. And some grilled chicken in it. एशियन cuisine का खास बात ये है कि they have varieties of vegetables in it. Even though they are consuming lot of non-vegetarian dishes in their menu, but even in that they have lot of this veggies inside it. For example, if you see this thukpa, this has both non-veg and veg combination. If you see the momos are of non-vegetarian and the vegetables are of course. So this gives a complete balance in this soup, and this soup is basically you can have for breakfast, you can have for lunch, and you can have for dinner. So in many countries like if I talk about Tibet, तो तिब्बत में ज़्यादातर मोमोज को इसी तरीके से खाया जाता है. So every country has a different culture, especially Asian cuisine. This one is lemon cilantro soup, or you can say as a side dish. You can just need to put, and this is cooked with little corn flour in it. So just need to mix with the rice, and you can have directly with this. So this is also gives a nice minty kind of a flavor. Nice one. So if I talk about which is my favorite one, so the dessert is remaining, as you know, and I also know that you know that I love dessert so much. This one is ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and this one is honey noodles. So this one is crisp. You can have like this. This is crisp, and this is a sheet of wonton, basically fried, and honey is drizzled over it with black sesame seeds and some chocolate sauce with vanilla ice cream. So this is perfect for your dessert. So guys, I'm going to complete my meal. I hope you like this Asian cuisine. Please do visit Moshi Kitchen, which is at Vasai, and you can see their menu online, and you can order from Zomato. They are soon going to come over Swiggy, and please give us a review like how you like their cuisine, how was the taste. और अगर आपने पहले विजिट किया है, so do post over Google, do rate them over Zomato, and we would love to see them. So we'll meet with you with next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.